In question 1 of this exercise, we have to find the values of some exponential terms. Each exponential term has an integer base and a non-integer rational number exponent. We will make use of the fact that the laws of exponents apply to rational exponents just like they apply to integer exponents. So let's start with part 1. So in part 1, we have the term that we have to calculate is 64 raised to the power half. Now I can write 64 as 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 6 and then raised to the power half. And now I can make use of the exponent law. A to the power p to the power q is a to the power p times q. The exponents multiply, p and q multiply. So in this case, 2 to the 6 to the half will be 2 to the 6 into half, or 2 to the 3, because 6 into half is 3, so 2 to the 3, and 2 to the 3 is equal to 8. So the value of this term is 8. The other way we could have done this is, instead of writing 64 as 2 to the power 6, we could have written 64 as 8 square, 8 to the power 2, and then the term would have been 8 square to the power half, and then the exponents will multiply 2 times half, so 8 raised to the power 2 into half, or 8 raised to the power 1, or 8. So in both cases we get the same answer. Now let's do part 2. In part 2 we have to calculate 32 to the power 1 by 5. Now I can write 32 as 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 raised to the power 1 by 5. Again the exponents will multiply, and I will have 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. And 5 into 1 by 5 is 1. So this is 2 to the power 1, or 2. So the value of the second exponential term is 2. And now finally let's do the third part. In the third part we have 125 to the power 1 by 3. Now I can write 125 as 5 cube, 5 raised to the power 3. So 5 cube raised to the power 1 by 3. Again the exponents will multiply, and we will have 5 raised to the power 3 times 1 by 3. 3 times 1 by 3 is 1. So 5 raised to the power 1 equal to 5. So the value of the third exponential term is 5. And that completes all the 3 parts of this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.